What is up, YouTube world? It's your boy K. We're back with you. And here we are.
Sticky.
107K. She got the wild. $100 a spin. We got a little cushion, so you can play $100 a spin whenever you got that kind of cushion. I like sticky wilds. I'm a big fan of the sticky wilds. Let's see if this is going to be good. Need some stickies, man. Come on. There we go.
Oh.
That's a good start.
Come on. No middle. Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. 840.
And you got another one. We need one more to go across there. We need one to top to come up on the second row on the top.
I need times 5. I need them over here. Ah, this ain't
Come on,
gonna be
man.
good.
Starting off slow. How many spins you got left?
1. This ain't good. Well, it says it's good. Oh, it says it's
a mega.
Oh, 3,000.
3,640. That's not bad.
No. I had 4 in
As
it.
hard as this bonus, you have 4,000 in it. Oh my goodness. Were you over 4,000?
Yep.
So you got your money back out. All right.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's just a nice.
Just a nice. Came too
17.
late.
Yeah.
Came too late.
So if I'd have bought this, I'd have lost 3,500.
Oh, wow. How much does it cost?
10,000.
All right. It's your boy K. Lady Love. Doing our thing. Peace.